Now for our first experiment, we are 4 people and I'm gonna serve Pepsi, a soda, in one shot for all of us. Okay, with Mentos and Pepsi. Okay, when the Mentos goes down, what happens? The carbon dioxide escapes and Pepsi will fill inside the cup. Cristiana, come here. Okay? But first, what we're gonna do?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. 1, 2. Wow! How cool is that? Now we can, all of us, we can drink Pepsi in one shot. Yalla, let's go outside. Let's go outside for the second experiment. And now for our second experiment with 2-in-1 soda dispenser, we turn it like this. And now we put it this here. Give it to this. And now we remove this. And now we put this here. Like this. This one here. This one here. And now we put the Mentos here and we're gonna get 4 nozzles. Okay, Yalla, are you ready?
Go!
Are you ready? How cool is that? Say bye to the camera.